I don't even know if you can see me. Oh my God. Okay, so the moon is rising. I'm at Ehlers Estate right now. This is really interesting lighting. Just getting ready to dial my contact, who's a winemaker. His name's Kevin, and head out to the field. So traffic in St. Helena today, amazing. Like, it's packed. The roads, even like I'm way up north of St. Helena, almost to Calistoga, and there is so much traffic. This is high season. This is where it all happens. This is how the magic gets in your bottles. Harvest.
Más que yo. ¿Sabes lo que viene por el Juego de Tronos? ¿Juegos de Tronos? Sí. ¿Cómo es eso? Bueno, una serie que hacen ahora en televisión. Pues hay una frase que dice: los que están muertos no pueden morir. Oh. ¿Como los zombies? ¿Te la aplicas? Y ya está. Pues la verdad, si estás muerto ya no puedes morir más. Ya no. Aquí se quiere. ¿Qué le va a echar, primo? Ahí le va. ¿Ya la vacía hasta allá? Sí, de una vez.
Everything's pretty much ready except for the people that was. Oh yeah, don't stop.
So tell me about what we have here, if you would, Kevin.
This is Merlot.
Merlot. And so what does this crop look like this year to you?
It started out as a really big crop, and now we had the 3 days of historic heat wave. So we lost a lot of crop.
Oh my goodness.
But the quality is right on track. It's going to be very intense. So it's right.
It's amazing. It seems like when you sacrifice something, it's almost like you enhance the quality of the wine. You know what I mean? With the heat, you've sacrificed some quantity, and now you've got a more intense flavor, perhaps, because of the heat.
Yeah, and then I think we're sacrificing a lot of sleep as we're sacrificing.
Absolutely. I want you to see those pretty vineyards out the window. That's a wrap. I am officially done for the morning. Like, that doesn't mean I'm done writing and all the other amazing things that I need to do, but I'm done with harvest. Ehlers Estate was kind enough to, and Kevin Morrisey, to include me in their fabulous harvest session with Merlot grapes, and I got to taste some beautiful Sauvignon Blanc, which is extraordinary, and now I'm headed off to spin. See you later.